I have been visiting dead birds. This may seem a dubious pursuit, yet unintended. At the Great Salt Lake in Utah, near the convergence of two of the four major bird flyways of North America, I've been following scientists who study white pelicans and other animals getting stuck in tar seeps. As they seek answers, I am reminded how easy it is to get stuck on the wrong questions. A tar seep is natural asphalt that spreads out like flypaper and acts as a death trap. Visitors to Utah never come for its tar seeps, and rarely for its so-called Dead Sea, bypassing the saline lake and for renowned ski slopes and Red Rock canyons. Inhabitants of Salt Lake City likewise overlook their namesake lake, even calling it ugly. The issue rests not only on describing what isn't described, but on exploring different narratives for dead and ugly content. Like the blobfish, the world's ugliest animal that is easily neglected, there's a silver lining to Great Salt Lake's story. Since biodiversity needs blobfish as much as the poster-friendly polar bears, we miss something vital if we overlook death traps in a reputedly dead sea. But let me ask this question a different way. Can I say climate change without causing you to get stuck on the assumption of destruction before I have a chance to add what I am about to tell you is a narrative of narratives, of rejuvenation and life? The Great Salt Lake is often likened to a dead sea, but after spending months with scientists who love the lake, its white pelicans, its black tar seep, its bright orange microbial halophiles, my perception has shifted to see this dead sea as deeply alive, integrally connected with the snowpack and water cycle of the American West and all those who depend on it. Nearly over 250 bird species, coyotes, jackrabbits, brine shrimp, people, and more. I no longer view Great Salt Lake through human eyes only, but now attempt to see it through pelican eyes and try to understand why a brine shrimp or halophile, literally salt-loving, might find those salty waters an ideal home. The process is like trying to see a garden through butterfly eyes, restructuring human priorities by attempting to empathize with non-human, organic perspectives. William McDonough, an architect who specializes in sustainable design, encourages seeing that carbon is not the enemy and that we have to redesign our relationship with carbon, which may help us to reimagine and literally redesign buildings like trees and cities like forests. What happens when we change a singular narrative and its correlated metaphors, multiplying its possibilities, starting by acknowledging life and deathly tar seeps, enough to make connections and ask, what else are we not perceiving here and elsewhere?